So I pop out with Rex, the Mad Six. He got a battle, right? But the promoter that booked us was supposed to book us 2 separate rooms, but he messed up. So for the first night, me and Rex got to share a room. I wake up to this. Alright, fuck it, false alarm. I'm about to go back to sleep. This nigga can't be serious. I noticed. At this point in my mind, I'm scared because I'm thinking that can't be a human being making a noise like that. Man, nah. Yo. Finally. What?